Hello friends, my name is Aman. We are three little masters. So what you can see behind me, there is there are some yellow flowers over here. You can see there are a lot of yellow flowers over there, and on that side there is a hill type like hill, and if you people try to learn English, then you can learn English. You can watch videos, listen videos, and listen stories. Then you can learn English, and you can read English books, and you will read Hindi one page and write its English in another notebook. Then you will learn English very smartly. Like this, you can learn English, and you can speak English fluently in front of anyone, and then you will be able to learn English. If you can speak English, then you people will. If any people come to you and say to you that there is something over there or something over there, you don't listen to him. First, what he says in Hindi, you think it's English, and say to him that you should speak this, like that, and then you can also learn English like me. And then you can tell all the steps and how can he learn English. Then all people can learn English very smartly. And what you can see behind me, there are a lot of yellow flowers, and why it is yellow? Because it can absorb all colors but not yellow. And then you can see this is green. Why it is green? Because it can absorb all colors but not green. So the green color remains outside, and it is green because of the green color, because these plants have chlorophyll, and they don't absorb green color, and that's why they are green. And some plants that are non-green, they don't have chlorophyll and die in some days, 2 to 7 days. Okay, and that's why you can see it's white and black, because it can absorb all colors, but mixture of some colors remain over here. And this is white. Why it is white? Because it is white because it doesn't absorb white color. Bye. We'll meet in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.